Hey guys, this is Tanya. I teach CBSE Class 10 Maths and my sister Tina Lofus would be teaching CBSE Class 8 Maths. Alright, now let's jump into the video. Today we are going to be learning Chapter 8 Introduction to Trigonometry, Exercise 8.4, second question. Alright, now let's read the question. Write all the other trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of secant A. Okay, so we have to convert all the trigonometric ratios in terms of secant A. Okay, so here now what are the trigonometric ratios? So there are 6 trigonometric ratios. So I'll write it: sin A, cos A, tan A, cosecant A, cot A. Okay, and one more is secant A. So in this question we have to convert these ratios in the terms of secant A. So I am not going to mention secant A here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this one, including this, there are 6 trigonometric ratios. Okay, alright. So now we have to solve it. How means we have to convert all these ratios in secant A. Okay, alright. So first let us solve it for cos A. Why? Because we have a formula for cos A. So cos A is equal to 1 by secant A, isn't it? So now I just converted in terms of secant A. So this is our answer for cos A. And for second one, let us do it for sin A. Okay, so since in case now we have identities, so the first identity is sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1, and second identity is tan square A plus 1 is equal to secant square A, and third one is 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosecant square A. Okay, so these are the 3 identities. Okay, so for now I am gonna convert sin A in the terms of secant A. Okay, so for sin A we have a identity, that is sin square A plus cos square A. So I am going to apply that, sin square A plus cos square A. Okay, so since I have cos, no, there is a relation between cos and secant, isn't it? That's why I just used this identity. Okay, you will get to know later. Okay, so sin square A. So now we have a formula for cos A. So the formula is 1 by secant A. Okay, so here since we have square, let us write square is equal to 1. Alright, so here nothing is there means 1. Okay, so now what we can do is we can actually write sin square A. So for now no need to consider the 1. Okay, so when this plus 1 by secant square A goes to that side, it changes into minus 1 by secant square A. Okay, and here nothing is there means 1. Alright, so we can actually take LCM. So when we just take LCM, I will write it here, we will get sin square A is equal to, when we take LCM, we will get secant square A minus 1 divided by secant square A. Okay, so here since we have square, we don't want sin square A value, isn't it? We want sin A. We have to convert sin A into secant A. So since we have square here, let us put root so that we can actually cancel the square. Okay, alright, so let's put root and is equal to, if we put root here, we have to put root here as well, isn't it? Alright, so secant square A minus 1 divided by secant square A. Alright, so now we can actually cancel the root as well as the square. Alright, so now finally we just converted sin A in terms of secant A. So here we got secant A. Of course this is gonna be our answer for sin A. Okay, so now I am gonna solve it for tan A. Already we solved for cos A, so now let us solve it for tan A. Alright, so here when you just check it out now, here we have an identity in which we have tan square a plus 1 is equal to secant square a. So, here I have secant square a, isn't it? So, I can actually apply that identity. So, I will write it 3 tan square a plus 1 is equal to secant square a. Perfect. So, now when you just check it out, no, here I am going to write the tan square a as it is and is equal to secant square a. So, when plus 1 comes to this side, it changes into minus 1. Okay, alright. So, now we can write tan a. So, tan square a. So, here I do not want the value for tan square a, I want the value for tan a, isn't it? So, here it is tan a, isn't it? So, since I want to convert tan a into secant a, I do not want this square. So, let us put root. If we put root here, we have to put root here as well. So, secant square a minus 1. Okay. So, we can cancel it. So, tan a is equal to bracket secant square a minus 1. So, this is the answer for tan a. Okay. So, we converted tan a in terms of secant a. Alright. So, now let us solve for cos a, isn't it? Alright guys. So, next we have cosecant a. So, let us solve it for cosecant a. Okay. So, cosecant a, we have to solve it. Okay. So, since guys we have a formula for cosecant a, that is 1 by sin a. Alright. So, now what we can do is we can actually write the cosecant a as it is equal to so 1 divided by here sin a. So, sin a value we got it, right. So, sin a we got the value for sin a, isn't it. So, that is root secant square a minus 1 divided by secant square a. So, we can actually write that. Okay. So, root secant square a minus 1 divided by secant square a. So, anyways when we take reciprocal, we will get root secant. So, this will come when we just take reciprocal here, now we will get secant square a divided by secant square a minus 1. Okay. So, this is the value for cosecant a, I mean we converted into sin a, isn't it. Alright. So, now let us find for cot a. It is literally easy. Okay. So, here we have cot a. So, now let us change it into secant a. So, cot a. So, cot a is equal to, so cot a value is I mean the formula is 1 by tan a and cot a is equal to 1 as it is divided by tan. So, here we got the value for tan, isn't it. So, for tan a we got the value as root secant square a minus 1. So, we can actually substitute that. So, let us write root secant square a minus 1. Perfect. So, this is our answer for cot a. Why? Because we changed it in terms of I mean cot a we changed it in terms of secant a, right. So, this is our answer. So, we just found I mean we just changed all the trigonometric ratio in terms of secant a. Alright. So, this is our answer. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, you can comment me in the comment section. Catch you in the next video. Bye.